Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet slip stitch. I'll also show you how to make this lovely swatch. To get started, let's make a slip knot and place it on our hook. For half double crochet slip stitch, we can use any number of chains. For my swatch, I'm going to use 15. Yarn over and insert your hook into the second chain and half double crochet. We'll place one half double crochet in each chain across the entire row. When we get to the end of our row, we'll chain one and turn our swatch. Find the first stitch, then let's yarn over and insert our hook into that first stitch. Then we'll yarn over and pull up that loop. And then we'll pull that loop through the two loops that are already on our hook to make our first half double crochet slip stitch. Again, let's yarn over and insert our hook into the next stitch. And then we'll yarn over and pull up that loop. And then pull that loop right on through the two loops already on our hook for our second half double crochet slip stitch. You'll repeat rows 1 and 2 to make this lovely swatch. The half double crochet slip stitch is a very small stitch, and it is possible to make an entire swatch using only this stitch, but it would take a while to grow. I personally enjoy putting one row of half double crochet between my half double crochet slip stitch rows. It enables the half double crochet slip stitch rows to pop out and make this lovely rope-like texture far more visible. The wrong side is also very eye-catching, which makes this stitch pattern a double win. I hope that you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Until next time, keep on making things for glory and for beauty.